And two types we have already seen. What were those two types? Unit regression testing, and we have also seen the regional regression testing also. So what is unit, what is regional, and which case we go for unit, which case we go for regional, and how do we modify the test case, when can we modify, when can we write, and what should we do with old old test cases, what we should do. So all those concepts we have seen yesterday. Now tell me, in unit regression testing and regional regression testing, can we miss any impact area? Obviously, because impact analysis is done manually itself, right? Whatever you are identifying, this may get affected, that may get affected. Okay, so obviously that is done manually. Till here it is done. Till here we have already seen yesterday. So this concept definition also I've given. So let's not talk about that once again. In those two types of regression, unit regression and regional regression. Even unit, when I'm saying, inside that module also we are identifying the impact area and we are testing. When I say regional, module level we are doing this regression testing. Already we have seen that. Now they say the drawback of unit and regional regression testing is, okay, we may pick some wrong impact area. Since I don't have a good product knowledge, instead of picking the correct impact area, I'm picking a wrong impact area. And the second problem is we may sometimes miss the impact area also. Possible? Pushpita Rakshita is saying no. Are you saying no? We may miss or we may select some wrong impact area. Correct? 100% possible. Okay. Now observe, guys. Now observe. I am testing Facebook. Just assume. I am testing Facebook. I'm testing Facebook. Obviously, Facebook is also a huge application. In Facebook, I did this unit regression testing and regional regression testing I did. And because of which I missed some impact area, means I didn't test it. Whereas I missed some impact area, I didn't test it because I thought that will not get affected. Because of this missing the impact area, customer found one issue. Customer found an issue in the old feature. Some issue, let's assume customer is not able to upload his photo in the Facebook. My question is, will he commit suicide? Will he commit suicide? Are you understanding the scenario? Are you understanding the scenario? Yes, because of some impact area missing, customer found some issue. Customer found some, because since he's not able to upload the photo, 100% he will not commit suicide or he'll die. But obviously there is an issue in the application. Now take application like your scanner, body scanner, body scanner or CT scan. Have you heard of all these things? Body scanner or CT scan or X-ray All these are your life critical applications, correct? All these are the applications which are used in the hospitals. All these are the applications which are used in the hospitals, and they are very complicated applications. Now what happened, guys? When you did this CT scan, CT scan also, you observe, guys, it is software is used in that. Yes or no? CT scan or X-ray you do or body scan you do, that the softwares are used, softwares are not used. 100% softwares are used. Now what happened in CT scan? Same concept. The CT scan application was modified. The CT scan application was modified or enhanced, because of which I did unit regression or regional regression. Because of which I did regional regression. And after doing regional regression, again customer found an issue in CT scan. It was what, even though the patient was okay, even though he didn't have any problem, it was showing that he has a cancer. It's showing that he has a cancer. Now tell me, what will that patient do? He also don't know. He also don't know. Instead of showing okay, since you didn't do regression testing properly, it was showing cancer. Sometimes because of this problem, can he will die? Obviously, he will die. Yes or no? He will believe it because the report is given by the software itself for the CT scan. He will believe it, and he may commit suicide also. Possible, not possible? No, correct. He will die of heart attack only. That means it has taken the life of a person. Correct. It has taken the life of a person. Or you take some missile application, the military applications. Military applications, assume guys, we have a rocket. We have a rocket. I want to launch to this country. I want to launch to this country. I want to destroy this. I want to launch this to this country and I want to destroy this country. Now, this is also automated. Yes or no? So 25 kilometers, they will on it. 25 or 250 kilometers. And they will say go. They'll say go. It goes. After 150 kilometers, it come back. Because there is a small bug. After 150 kilometers, it is going to come back and blast here only. Is it a small issue? Is it a small issue? No, that means, guys, now listen carefully, listen. See, normal application, worst case, if unit regression and regional regression testing, some mistakes are there. It's okay. So it's okay means I'm saying don't think that, oh, that's fine, sir. No, it's okay means it may happen because you're a human being. But in case of life critical applications means all applications which are used in hospitals, they're called as life critical applications. In case of machine critical applications means wherever the military applications are there or any software that runs on a machine. You know this room heater. Have you heard of room heater? That is also machine critical application. Okay. Or you know this sauna bath, we call it a sauna bath or steam bath. Steam bath, they set a temperature and they leave it for 45 minutes. You will sit inside this. Automatically, if temperature is increasing, it becomes 100. You will become chicken inside that this sauna bath. So all such kind of application, unit regression and regional regression is also risky. Yes or no? In application like life critical, machine critical, your unit regression and regional regression is risky. Now they decided, boss, let us go for third type of regression testing called as full regression testing. Okay, let us introduce a third regression testing called as full regression testing. In this, what we will do, you are going to test the whatever is customer change. Obviously that you have to test it. Along with that, test the complete old features. Okay, is the definition clear? First of all, test the changes plus the complete old features. No question of selecting the impact area, no question of selecting the dependent modules. Whatever the old features are there, all old features you have to test. Is it clear? Is it clear? Yes, since we had drawbacks in these two, we went for full regression testing. But guys, full regression testing is very, very tough. Yes or no? Because your favorite dialogue. Full regression testing is very, very tough. Very, very tough because see, time, obviously I've told you challenges of regression testing also. So it's a lot of time is required to do this full regression testing. Hence they decided we will not do full regression testing for all the application, only for life critical and machine critical. Let us go for full regression testing. Is it clear? Is it clear, guys? Yeah, so testing the changes plus the complete old features. Unit regression, regional regression, yesterday whole day we have seen that only. So I am not interested to repeat. So hero, heroines who are absent, 100% we will not do that. Okay, then guys, so have you understood the concept of full regression testing? Simple. And which is easy now? Unit, regional or full? Which is easy? Tell me first of all. As a test engineer, which is easy? Which is easy? Unit is easy. Imagine full is always easier. In the full, we don't have to use brain only. Whatever is there, everything, the old feature, you take it, start executing, that will become a full regression testing. Okay, make or write this one. This is the third type of regression testing we are seeing. Regression testing, write whatever you understood.
Hello, sir. Good morning. You are able to hear me? Hello, sir. Very good morning.
Maria, hey Maria, tell me.
Sir, I have few lists, sir, actually, regarding the fees payment.
Okay.
So I just wanted to call out few names, actually. Sir, actually, I have no reply from 3 students. If I message also, they're not turning up, and if I call also, they're not picking up. Okay, I'll just call out their names, huh?
Really?
Tomorrow I will remove them. It is Gautam Das.
On Idana, Gautam Das, you are there?
Gautam Das.
Gautam Das is there? Don't waste my time, guys. If you are there, you reply. Gautam Das.
And
1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. He's there. He's there.
he's there.
Like Gautam Das, I'm talking to you only. Maria is calling. Immediately pick the call and talk to her. See, I don't want to discourage you or do any discussion here saying that you guys are like this, your guys are like that. I don't want, because it will be insult for you. Immediately you call Maria. Maria, he is responding. You call him, he will pick the call.
Okay, sir. Okay,
next.
sir. And
If it doesn't
Sushma.
pick, again you come to the class and tell me.
Sushma B.
Sushma B is there? Sushma B. Sushma B, pick the call. Maria is calling you. Please pick the call and talk to her. Next, Maria. She is also there.
Sagar Patnaik.
Sagar Patnaik.
Yes, sir.
1 minute. The Sagar Patnaik, you are there? PQRS. Sagar Senapati is there. Sagar Nayak. Sagar Sahu. Sagar Patnaik illa anta kanduchila. Sagar Patnaik is there? No.
Sagar Nayak idana, sir. Sagar Nayak.
Sagar Nayak. Sagar Senapati is there. Sagar alla. Sabyasachi Nayak only.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Next.
Okay. Next. That's it, sir. These are the students. Those are not at all replying me in WhatsApp, also not picking their calls.
Gautam Das, Sushma B. Maria is going to call now, so please talk to her. Done, Maria.
Sir, I just call out only few names, sir. I don't found their data. If their names is there after the class, ask them to call me, sir. I'll just call out few names.
What data you want? Their phone numbers you want?
No,
What you want?
no. Their data itself is not there in the software. I don't know whether they're in this class or not. Actually, I don't have their data itself.
Really?
It is Soumya Raju.
1 second, Lily. Soumya Raju, you are there? Soumya Raju. One minute.
Soumya
Soumya Raju.
Boyalagunta. Okay. Sir, I'll just call Soumya Boyalagunta anta.
Illa, Soumya illa. Next.
Okay, just I'll call out, sir. Siju.
Siju. Spelling ena?
Siju. Siju. Sheikh.
1 minute. Siju is there? Siju, Elsa, Jacob. Yeah, Idan, Sheila. Maria.
Idan, sir. Sir, ask him to call me after the class. Siju, kindly call me after the class, Siju.
Siju, don't miss. Call after the class to Maria. Okay? The institute number. Maria, you write all these people. So Gautam has left. As soon as you called, he has left.
Oh,
that's okay. See whether he's really our student or not. That's fine. Don't worry. Gautam, then one more girl, you said Shushma. She will also call you. She will give a call. Siju, call. She will also call. Next.
Okay. And Sheikh Banjan.
SHEK, na?
SHAIK.
Sheikh Suhail is there. Oh, no, Sheikh Suhail.
Illa, sir. No, sir. Then leave, sir. No problem. And Prem S. Prem S is there. Prem S.
Prem S is there. Prem, you are there?
Hello.
Yeah. Hello.
Yeah, this is Poonam. Actually, just now my internet disconnection. Actually, I just.
Prem, yes. Prem, yes, Maria.
Sir. Prem, yes, sir.
Hey, Prem, when I'm calling, respond from that today's topic only. Topic number was what? Topic number. Many people are asking what is topic number, because when I was teaching this, 370 were there. Now suddenly 405 people came because it's morning, so they have come. What was the topic number that we discussed? This one, types of regression testing. What was the topic? Topic number. Day one or day 2 it was? Day one, topic 3. Done. Okay. Now carefully, guys, everyone listen carefully. Now, see, in the company, let's assume, see, we have unit regression testing, we have regional regression testing, we have full regression testing. I'll agree. So this is the first type of regression testing. This is the second type of regression testing. And this is the third type of regression testing. Correct? Take the new one, baby. Don't use this.
No,
it's dried up.
It is not dried up.
So out of this 1, 2, 3, if you say really regression testing, which one is a real regression testing? Use common sense. You have unit, you have regional, you have full. Out of 3, which one Nimajji, before asking question only, you are giving super duper fast answers. Control, like Sumit Prakash or Pooja Kumari, you wait, control. First, you understand the question, first of all. You are not an English teacher that very quickly give the answer. First, listen to the question when I'm asking. When I say regression, really, which one is a regression? First, at least think first. Full regression testing is meaningless, you are talking, first of all. Many people are saying that regional regression testing. Why you are saying regional regression testing? Tell me. Oh, unit regression. Now, all options, whatever is there, they're trying. Yeah, waste fellows, right? That is a problem actually. Boss, when I say regression, this is the main one. This is the main one, regional regression testing, because you are identifying the impact area on the other modules. Yes or no? In unit, what is there? Nothing is there. Whatever is changed in one module, within that module, we are checking. In full regression testing also, there is nothing. Whatever is old left out, just go test it. But when I say impact area, it's regional regression testing only, other modules are getting affected. Yes or no? Other modules are getting affected. Yes or no? So now guys, carefully listen. In interview, if they ask you what is regression testing, so many psycho fellows are there. You are asking them which type of regression testing you want. He asked you one question, what is regression testing? You are asking him 3 questions. You want unit regression, you want regional regression, you want full regression. Did he ask you types of regression testing? Did he ask you types of regression testing? He said, what is regression testing? That's all. All of you remember, guys, this topic you speak only when they ask. Am I clear? This topic you talk only when they ask. Write one note. Under this topic, write one note. Under this topic, write one note. Note is, do not speak about types of regression testing. Do not speak about types of regression testing until and unless do not speak about types of regression testing until and unless it is asked. Do not speak about types of regression testing until and unless it is asked. Done. So is this topic clear for everyone now? Types of regression testing, simple one and definition, and what we do, everything is clear? Yes? Okay. Now let's go to the next important topic under regression testing, guys. If you remember, what are the challenges of regression testing? Tell me. What are the main challenges of regression testing we discussed? Correct? Identifying the impact area was the first basic challenge, I'll tell you. Next comes your time consuming, no accuracy. Three challenges are there. But the first thing is to identify the impact area. Now, guys, I will teach you a solution for this. Okay, so I'm going to handle one by one. Remember, all the 3 I will not solve at a time. First, I will teach you how to identify the impact area or how to identify the affected area. Okay, after this, then we'll go for the second challenge and the third challenge. Let me open the diagram. Give me 1 minute. Let me open the diagram. Is compulsory asked. The question is what, See, whole regression testing depends on your impact analysis. Yes or no? See, because see, when you're picking the regression test cases, guys, everyone concentrate, okay? Whenever you are picking the regression test cases, first we are identifying the impact area and then we are picking the regression cases. So if a regression cases itself is wrong, then obviously your whole regression testing is wrong. So now I am teaching you something called as impact analysis process. I am teaching you something called as impact analysis process. Le Pratiksha Rana Singhe, is your automation testing done? Sir, get me some requirement for experienced people also. Then what you are talking, tell me. Marriage is only not done. You are saying, sir, I want to have 2-3 kids, sir. Is it possible? Is it possible? If you want, you talk to Gaurav, how many experienced people are getting placed. You know that? At least in 1 month, 14-15 people are getting. So boss, all of you, first you learn the things, then automatically you will get a job. Simply when you see other people, don't get tempted and talk away. You learn the things when it's going on. And everyone will not get job at a time, guys. Remember that point. All of you remember. It takes different time for different one. This fellow started this Sumit Prakash, your mindset is only very bad, Alay. Hey, all girls, remember, never ever marry a person called as Sumit Prakash, Alay. That fellow mindset is only waste. Like Sumit, I got it. Your mindset is waste. Always you are crying, sir, I'm mechanical. Who asked you to do mechanical? Did I say take mechanical? No, generally I'm talking. There is nothing to sorry. I'm not scolding you. I'm talking. That's all. Come back, guys. Come back. It's your wish. Still, if your mindset is weak, I can't help you. That's all. Still, if your mindset is weak, I can't help you. People, you paid money to me. Again, I'm repeating, manual SQL automation. If you are good, let it be next 1 year also you'll get placed. Okay, since you paid the money, next 1 year, 2 years also, forget about that. Compulsory get placed. If you are not good in these 3 subjects, God also cannot help you. I'll tell you. Forget about me. God also cannot help you. So instead of wasting time and doing acting, sit and study. This is enough. Guys, no, please, no, don't disturb me. Let's start the topic. Don't disturb me. Okay. Now, I am teaching you a topic called as impact analysis process, or how to identify the impact area. Okay, impact analysis process, or how to identify the impact area, or how to pick the regression test cases. Is it same or not? Is it same or not? Any way he want, he can ask the question, guys. So how to do impact analysis process, or how to identify the impact area, or how to pick the regression cases, everything is same. Or how do you identify the features for regression testing? How to identify the features for regression testing? What are you doing? How to identify the features for the regression testing? Everything is same. Okay, now let's begin. If you see the diagram, whole diagram, if you see, you will get confused and you will commit 2 sides. So don't see the whole diagram at a time. Let's go one by one. Release number 1. Just now release number 1 started. In release 1, 200 test cases were written. 4 testing units were there. 3 months was the duration. Regression testing is there. Regression testing is not there. Regression is there, not there. Reason not there. I know you will say no, because it's very easy question. What was the reason we discussed? Not there. I don't want to give the reason. Always learn technical, no regression test cases, because everything is new. That's the simplest answer I said. So release number 1, there is no question of regression testing because everything is new. Point number 2. Just now customer says, I want release number 2, guys. Okay. When customer says, I want the release number 2, you observe 180 new test cases were written. Just assume 180 new test cases were written, and the test engineers and the duration was same only. Same I've taken, and 90 regression test cases we have picked. And 90 regression test cases we have picked from where? 90 regression test cases are picked from where? From release 1 repository. From release 1 repository. Okay. Now listen, guys. Now listen carefully. Listen. These 90 regression test cases, whatever I have picked, these cases were picked based on impact analysis. Correct? These 90 regression test cases were picked based on impact analysis. Simple, straightforward word means someone identified the impact area. Who is that? I'll teach you. And when I say login may get affected, take the login test case. Inbox may get affected, take the inbox test case. Sent item may get affected, take the sent item test case. Like this, we have picked these 90 test cases based on this impact analysis. But the first question they're asking is, see, you have new test cases and regression test cases, correct? You have new test cases and also you have regression test cases, or you have new features and regression features. Any language I can use, any language is fine. Now, out of these new features and regression features, which one we are going to test first? We have already discussed, and why? Correct. We are going always first we will test new, then we will go for regression, because chances of bugs are more in new features and regression features are already tested. Good. Everyone is giving the correct answer. Perfect. So chances of bugs are less in the regression features and chances of bugs are more in the new features. So first we are concentrating on new features, and second we are concentrating on regression features. That statement is clear. Second statement, the duration of release number 2 was 3 months, guys. Listen here. The duration of release number 2 was 3 months. Total duration was 3 months. Out of 3 months, you observe 2 months, 3 weeks. 2 months, 3 weeks is given for new features only, and only 1 week time is given for regression features. Can you tell me why this na-insafi? Why? For new features, they are giving 2 months, 3 weeks. But for regression feature, only 1 week they are giving me. Why? So much less time for regression feature. Correct, because they are already tested. Simplest answer. Since regression features are already tested, so can I say the summary is, listen. Can I say the summary is regression features should be tested, or regression test cases should be executed only after the new features are stable? Right or wrong? Regression feature should be tested or regression cases should be executed only after new features are stable. Remember this point. Only after new features are stable. And time given for regression testing is always less than the new features. Anyhow, I'll give notes for this diagram. This whole diagram, I'll only give the notes. So time is also given is less. Now the most important question here is, guys, boss, if you want to do this regression testing, you have to do the impact analysis. Obviously, to do the impact analysis. My question is, when should I do this impact analysis? This stage. This is the first stage. Or this stage. Can anyone tell me first stage means which stage? When should I do the impact analysis, or when should I identify the regression cases? Here, stage 1 or stage 2? Stage 1 means what? Tell me. Stage 1 means when? Which time? Which time? First stage means what? First stage means when is this first stage? New means what? Ali? Testing new feature is wrong answer. Understand the question, guys. If you have not understood the question, don't give me the answer. When should I identify the impact analysis? Or when should I choose the regression test cases? First stage means this is the first stage. Or second stage means this is the second stage. Stage 1 means what? First to tell me that. Stage 1 means what? What writing new test cases? Like play Amit Baral ni Majjina, but I'm asking stage 1 means what? First of all, Shakti Shekhar is correct. Stage 1 means as soon as customer gives us the new features. As soon as customer give me the new features, you sit. First, you should read the new features. Yes or no? Without reading the new features, can you do the impact analysis? Without reading the new features, can you do the impact analysis? So when I say stage 1, it means what? You know, stage 1 means take the new features, you study it, read it, understand, and based on your understanding, you sit and analyze which old features may get affected. This is called as stage 1. Stage 2 means what? You know, stage 2 means new features are already tested and stable. Remember, new features are tested and new features are stable also. That means 2 months, 3 weeks is over of the project. Now now you have got a very good knowledge of the new features. Yes or no? Now you got a very good knowledge of the new features. Yes or no? Why you are saying you got a very good knowledge? Why good knowledge means? Because it's stable. What you are talking? Now you have got a good knowledge. Because we read, because we have tested. From 2 months, 3 weeks, we are testing the new features. When I'm testing the new features, it's neatly have understood the new features. Now, after testing new features is over, okay, new features are stable. Now do the impact analysis because you have a very good knowledge of the product now. So I'm asking you, which is a better stage? Stage 1, stage 2. Stage 1 means as soon as the new features are coming. Stage 2 means after the new features are stable. Stage 2. Why? Why you are saying stage 2? I don't answer it right or wrong. I don't know, but you are saying stage 2. Reason I want. Don't choose the correct answers. It's not engineering entrance exam here. Why phase 2 or why stage 2? Because already tested. That is wrong answer. Kirtana, we have a good knowledge. Perfect. Sunil, you are wrong. Manish Singh, you are wrong. Because new features are stable is wrong. The main answer is at least use brains. If you want to do the impact analysis, you should have a good knowledge. So since I've tested the new features for the last 2.5 months, I get a very good knowledge. I've got a very good knowledge. So you are saying, sir, stage 2 is better. Yes or no? So you're saying stage 2 is better. Done. Have you understood? Everyone is saying stage 2, stage 2, stage 2. Perfect. Okay. Now tell me, guys, one simplest answer. Okay. One example I want to give. If 1 minute also, if you deviate that side, you will not understand this example. Everyone listen carefully. Stage 2 is a better to identify the impact area, sir, because guys, is my voice audible? Voice is audible? Pooja Kumari, your problem, Alay. Your problem. Simply don't blame me saying that, sir, your voice is not working, your voice is breaking. Listen, guys. Everyone decided that stage 2 is better, stage 2 is better. But assume, guys, release number one, we have neatly developed 5 features. Okay, 5 features were developed, it was stable, and then it was handed over to the customer. 5 features are neatly handed over to the customer. Next, release number 2 started. Release number 2 started. In the release number 2, customer asked me to add 4 new features were added. N means it's 4 new features. Okay, 4 new features were added. So according to all of you, what you said, sir, start testing all these 4 new features. Start testing all these 4 new features which were given by the customer. Done. I started testing. And all these 4 new features were stable. All these 4 new features were stable. Now, what is the next step now? All the 4 new features are stable. What is the next step now? What is the next step? Identify the impact area. According to the diagram, how much time is left out? Tell me. According to the diagram, how much time is left out? According to the diagram, 1 week is left out. So within 1 week, you have to identify the impact area, and 1 week project is over. Yes or no? Within 1 week, we have to hand over the application to the customer also. Yes or no? Yes. Now what I did, after the new features were stable, I started doing this impact area analysis or impact analysis I did. When I was doing impact analysis, carefully listen. When I was doing impact analysis, we found a problem. The problem was what, you know? The problem was, because we have implemented these 4 new features, one of the old feature is completely broken. One old feature is not working. Broken is nothing, but one old feature is not working. Are you understanding? Yes, no. Yes, no. Because of the changes, one old feature is not working. And that was a very critical feature. Possible, not possible. One old feature is not working. And it was a very critical feature. And you came to know in the last 1 week. Listen carefully. You came to know in the last 1 week. Now, when developer started seeing where is the problem, now what developer is saying is, we did a blunder. We did a big mistake. The big mistake was what, you know? We should not have created this one out of 4 new features. One new feature is a culprit. And because of this one new feature only, that old feature is completely not working. Are you understanding what I'm saying, guys? Since we have created this one new feature, because of this one new feature, the complete old one feature is broken, and this new feature and this old features cannot be together. What is the meaning of this new feature and old feature cannot be together? In this application, either new feature should be there or the old feature should be there. 2 features cannot be there. The code is not supporting each other. Only one feature should be there. And this you came to know after doing the impact analysis. Now tell me, in this situation, what is the next step now? Either new feature should be there or the old feature should be there. One new feature. But all the new features are already developed and tested or not? All the new features are already developed and tested or not? Yes, sir. That is what we have discussed. Now tell me, what will you do right now? This is a situation. We came to know next Sunday is a release. This is a problem. Let the new feature be there. Oh, Dilip Reddy, very good, because it's new. Since it's new, keep the new feature, delete the old feature. Very good. So you're saying keep chat and delete compose module. That is what you are saying. Hey, remove the new feature. Very good, Rakshita. So you are, whatever you want, you will go and remove it. Yogendra Patil says, Rimpa says, remove the new. Good. Yogendra Patil says, talk to the customer. You are right, Yogendra. All other answers are wrong. Bhargav Reddy is also correct. Inform the customer. Okay, I will take time. Meaningless. Meaningless. Project, once the date is decided, you cannot postpone however you want. However you want, you can't postpone it. That means now the only option, report to the developer. Le ni majji Sovik Rai, you got up just now or what? Already developer is saying that only one feature can be there at a time. So now guys, as some people said, we are going to discuss this situation with the customer. Yes or no? We are going to discuss the situation with the customer. Now I call the customer, assume you are only customer. As soon as I call the customer says, hey, is my application ready? He'll be excited. He's asking, is my application ready? Because Sunday is the release. Now we will tell him, no. There is a problem. There is a problem. Customer, please tell me. See, because of adding the new feature, one of the important old feature is completely getting affected. So I want you to give you one choice. You want new feature or you want old feature? Please tell me soon. When you say this, what will customer tell you? Tell me. As soon as you tell this, what will customer tell you? You want new or you want old? After 2.5 months, you are calling and you are asking him. Jay Bhargavi says old one. Very good, very good. Ashish says old one. You are waste fellows, have understood. That's why everyone cannot become leads and managers. Remember, that is the problem. That is the problem. Everyone cannot become. Sanskrit word will come. Perfect. Atiti Abhishek Nayak. Full Sanskrit words will come out of his mouth. He will say, rascal fellow, daridra fellow, useless fellow. Are you a human being or not? I am going to put a case on you. I am not using bad words, baby. I'm teaching. My daughter is saying that, sir, dad, you are using a bad word. I'm not using, baby. See, that's why I'm saying, guys, this generation is good. At least I'm happy she's going in a proper way. Good, guys. Listen now. Obviously, the customer will scold you. Why, you know? See, the example. 3 months, I have taken all your classes, manual, Java, Selenium, everything. 3-4 months, it is done, guys. Same name, good. 3-4 months, course is completed. In the last 4th month, I'm coming and telling you, sorry. Selenium and manual testing Java is of no use. Let us learn Python, load runner, we will learn. This, because of this Selenium and Java and manual testing, you will not get job. Let us learn Python and let us learn this other tool called as load runner. What will you say? After 4 months, I'm telling this. The market is changed. We will learn only that only. Whatever you have learned is of no use. Correct? You will fight. You will say, get boss, give me the money back. You refund my money with interest, you refund. Same way, guys, customer will tell you, rascal fellow, what were you doing till today? Last moment you are coming and telling me that you want new or you want old. Common sense you don't have. How can you talk to me like this? How can you talk to me like this? How can you ask me this question? Yes or no? If this is the case, you should have told me in the beginning only. When I gave you the new feature, when I gave you the new features, that time only you should have told me. Can you say, at that time I was not having product knowledge? He will say, get lost. He will say, I don't care. I don't care about it. You should have only done the homework in the beginning. In the beginning only, you should have decided whether this feature can be developed or not. Yes or no, guys? Yes or no? Yes. Okay. In the beginning, suppose assume it's a very beginning stage. Okay, let's assume I am here, guys. Let's assume I am here. Customer gave me new requirements. So as soon as he gave me the new requirements, my team sat. They understood the requirement. They did impact analysis in the beginning only, even before the new features were developed. Understand? Even before the new features were developed, they did this impact analysis and they found the same issue. Immediately I'll call the customer. I'll say, customer, see boss, we did impact analysis based on your requirement And what conclusion we have taken is, we cannot have whatever you are asking. Whatever you are asking, if you want, then we should remove one old feature. In the beginning, if I ask, can he scold me? Can he scold me? He has no choice. Either he has to modify his requirement or he has to agree. And suppose Wipro is not able to do this, can Infosys do this? Wipro is not able to do this, can Infosys do? Not possible. Not, yes sir, like, what you are talking, like, what you are talking? Are you saying, sir, Lakshmi God is not doing, so I'll go to Saraswati God? Boss, this is a technology. Remember this point. Everyone has a best developers, best test engineer. Okay. So now in the beginning only, if I've done and I'll ask the customer, he will not have any choice. Can you tell me, or simplest example, guys, if you want to start any business, when will you do the impact analysis? I want to start some business. When will you do the impact analysis? After the business is started or before the business is started? After, before. Correct? At the initial only, before starting the business only, I will sit and think. Before starting the business only, I'll sit and think. Oh, how much I should invest? Is it really worth or not? Which is the best place to start? Which is the best time to start? With how many people I have to start? Correct? Lesson learned is what? Can you tell me? From this, whatever example I'm teaching you, you don't have to speak this in the interview. What is the lesson learned? You tell me, that's all. Anyone? If you only tell me what is the lesson learned, my life will be dhanya. Do the impact analysis at first stage only. Perfect. That's all. If you do the impact analysis at the first stage, guys, listen what I've written here. Any major risk can be avoided. Yes or no? If you do the impact analysis in the beginning stage only, any major risk you feel, oh, this may be risky, talk to the customer and we can avoid it. Will you agree? Will you agree? Yes, yes, yes or no? Yes or no? Yes or no? Okay, good. So now come back. So just now customer gave the requirement. As soon as he gave the requirement, two things we will do, guys. First thing, sit and understand the requirement. See, who will do the impact analysis? I'll teach you. Don't bother about that, okay? Sit and understand the requirement. This is the first task. Plus do the impact analysis. Yes or no? First you understand the requirement and immediately do the impact analysis. When I say understand the requirement and do the impact analysis, developer, has he started coding or has not started coding? He started coding, correct. He has not started. Sumit Kumar, good, my life is dhanya. You are giving correct answer. Not started. Test engineer has started writing new test cases or not? Has test engineer started writing new test cases? No. So even before starting writing the test cases and code, we are doing impact analysis. Dana. Yes, good. Now the next immediate question is, who does the impact analysis? Yes, is this question required or not required? Obviously, see, very easily I'm saying do it in the beginning. But also the question is, who does the impact analysis? Very, very important point. Remaining points are very, very easy, guys. If you understand this point, the whole concept is over. Okay. Now carefully listen. Oh, customer, developer, test engineer. I have already written there. I also know. Girija Shankar Lenka. I have written in the diagram. Observe, guys. Observe. First one. Customer does the impact analysis based on the business knowledge. Means. See, who is asking for changes? Tell me first of all. Who is asking for changes? I want to change this. I want to add this. I want to modify this. Who is asking? Customer. Customer is only saying that I want to add this. I want to delete this. I want to modify this. Now assume I am a customer. I will go to the software company. I will tell, please add these 4 new features. But guys, when you are adding these 4 new features or 5 new features, please make sure that there are very 2 important old features. Feature number 4 and feature number 9. those features, make sure that they are not getting affected. Can I tell this suggestion or I can't give the suggestion? I'm a customer. When you are modifying this, please make sure that these two features are not getting affected, because they are very, very crucial for my business. They're very crucial for my business. Are you understanding, guys? They're very, very crucial. So please make sure that when you're changing the code, or when you're fixing these problems, or when you're adding these new features, these two features are not getting affected. So customer can give it based on his business knowledge. Second person, whenever I say developer, customer has given me the new requirement. First, the developer opens the old code. Yes or no? First, he opens the old code. He will analyze where we have to do the changes. And if I do these changes, which part may get affected? Remember, which part may get affected? Which other module may get affected because of the code changes? Can he analyze or not? Yes. And that means customer is doing impact analysis based on his business knowledge. Developer is doing the impact analysis based on his coding knowledge, based on his coding knowledge. Most importantly, guys, it is a job of test engineer to do the impact analysis based on product knowledge, because already I have worked on this application last year. I know which module is important, where the dependency is there, because I've done functional testing, integration testing, system testing. I know the dependency between the module. I know that if you're modifying compose, it may affect the inbox, sent item, and other modules also. So I'm saying most importantly, it is done by test engineer based on product knowledge. So impact analysis is done by the customer based on his business knowledge. He just to give a suggestion, that's all. It will be done by developers also based on their coding knowledge, and done by test engineer based on the product knowledge. Is it clear till now? Yes. As soon as you tell this answer in the interview, they're asking, lay, rascal fellow, who is your manual faculty? What is your answer now? As soon as you tell this answer, they nonsense. Who is your manual faculty? Who is teaching you? What is your answer? Good, Prakash sir. And he will say, this is wrong. This is wrong. Whatever you are teaching is, whatever you are telling is wrong, because I am a manager. I have 15 years of experience in software testing. In my company, impact analysis is only done by test engineers. I'll repeat. I am a project manager. I have 15-20 years of experience, in testing. In my company, this impact analysis is done only by test engineer. Which rascal fellow told you that customers and developers are also involved? Now, suppose you are sitting in front of the interviewer. How will you handle this? He is saying wrong. Your teacher is wrong. He's completely giving. Hey, Sano. Your teacher is giving complete wrong answers. Now, how will you handle? I'll tell you what you guys will do. Sir, you are right, sir. Yes, sir, you are right, sir. That Prakash fellow is wrong, sir. Unnecessarily one topic, sir. Full depth he is going. He's torturing us every day morning 8 o'clock, sir. You are only right, sir. Please give me job, sir. Yes or no? Yes or no? I've seen so many people, I'll tell you. Directly will tell, because he is giving job for you. He will directly insult your teachers also, I'll tell you. Guys, listen here now. Listen here. See, you tell him, sir. Possible, sir. That's the reason I said most importantly it is done by test engineer. See, guys, whatever he's saying is right, because end of the day, who is responsible for the stability of the application? Who is responsible? End of the day, test engineer. The quality of the application, also test engineer. The stability of the application, also test engineer. So customer and developer don't bother about it is impacting, not impacting. Why should I bother? Customer says, I gave you money, you give me a good product. Developer says, my job is coding, that's all. Any problem you tell me, I will change the code. Any problem you tell me. So truly speaking, it is job of test engineer only. But listen, carefully listen. See guys, when test engineer is analyzing, he is analyzing one angle. Which angle? When test engineer is analyzing the impact area, he is analyzing only with one angle. What angle? Tell me. Correct. Only based on application, because he cannot see the code. Correct. He cannot see the code, and he don't know the business also. Now, can it happen, guys? Whatever test is analyzing with respect to product, he is not able to analyze with respect to code, and he is not able to analyze with respect to business. So can test engineer miss some impact area? Possible or impossible? Since he is analyzing only with respect to application knowledge, can he miss some impact area? Yes. So now I am also doing, test is also doing, developer is also helping you, customer is also helping you. So customer plus the developer plus the test engineer. If all the three people are involved, you listen, see here what I have written. If all three people are doing, we can cover maximum impact area. Are you understanding this sentence? If all are involved, we can cover the maximum impact area. We can cover the maximum impact area. Are you understanding? Are you understanding? Yes. So listen, guys. Actually speaking, I will also agree that 50-60% of the companies still the impact analysis is done by test engineers only. It is done by test engineers only. They're doing it. But many companies are there who has modified their process. They are saying customer also please help us, developer also please help us, so that maximum impact area can be covered. So in interview, your answer is yes, sir. You are also right, sir. But sir, if only test engineer does, the maximum impact area cannot be covered. We may miss something. To achieve the maximum impact area, I said, sir, customer should also help us, developer should also help us, and test engineer should also be involved. Is that clear? Is that clear? If you give answer like this, he will call you, he will kiss you, he will give the job, and he will send you. Have you understood now? So this is also clear. Can I hope this is also clear? Yes. Everyone says yes. Good. Now rest of the things are easy. Let's proceed now. Let's proceed. Let me remove all these things. Okay. Will he kiss? Oh, Ankit Gupta. Once physically we are opened, you ask this question in the class, then I will tell. Will he kiss or not? Observe, guys. Observe. No. So step one, I said release one was there. There was no impact analysis. Release two started. We want to do impact analysis. Beginning only we did. When I say we did, customer did based on his business knowledge. Developer did based on his coding knowledge. Test engineers also was involved based on his product knowledge, so that maximum coverage was achieved. Now, very important. Observe. See, customer is telling you that this feature, please be careful. Developer is also saying, hey, F2 may get affected, F7 may get affected, F9 may get affected. Testing is also saying F1, F4, F9, F11 may get affected. See, if these features may get affected means these are the new features or old features. These are the impacted features, new features or old features. These are the new features, old features. Correct. These are the old features that may get affected. Yes or no? These are the old features that may get affected. Correct. Now, can I tell orally to my manager, F4, F5, F9, F7, F8. Can I tell orally, or better I should prepare a document? Which is better, orally or I should prepare a document? Correct. We have to prepare a document. So listen, guys. Now listen. Customer prepared one document. Report number one. Report number one. Le. F4 may get affected and F9 may get affected. F4 and F9 may get. 1 minute, guys. I will change my network. 1 minute. Okay, guys, can you hear me now? Can you hear me now? Can you hear me now? Now observe. Now what I was saying is, the customer gives me one report. The customer gives me one report. Boss, F4, F9 may get affected. Developer also prepared one report. Report number 2. I think, according to my analysis, F2, F7 and F9 may get affected. Testing says, according to my knowledge, F1 may get affected, F4 may get affected, F9 may get affected, and F11 may get affected. Now guys, see, all these people, we give them the deadline. 4 days I will give you for impact analysis, or 1 week I will give you for impact analysis. Everyone do the impact. Everyone do the impact analysis and prepare a report. And after this report is ready, listen, everyone hand over that report to the test lead. My report is this, my report is this, my report is this. Means I have understood the new requirement. Based on that, we have done impact analysis, and I feel these features may get affected. Now listen to the main point. See, these features may get affected means, what should you do? Tell me. See, everyone is saying this feature may get affected, this feature may get affected, this feature may get affected. So what should you do? Will you tell the customer that these features may get affected? This is very, very important point for me. No. Don't go to the next diagram. These features may get affected means, what is the use of this? So what should you do now? If these features may get affected means, all these are old features. So what should you do? What should you do? Wrong. I know that your mindset is that only. Good. Yamini is right. Suasmita is right. Next, some people are right. Start regression testing. Imagine, badhiya. Can you start regression testing now only? Okay, guys, 1 minute. We have I think Parikshit or Parikshit, give me 2 minutes, Parikshit. Give me 2 minutes. No. Observe, guys. When I say these feature may get affected means, boss, on these features you do regression testing. These features may get affected doesn't mean that you will tell customer. Out of these feature, if any major risk is there, major risk means this feature will completely get affected. Then only we will talk to the customer. I'll repeat, listen carefully. When I say these features may get affected, it means what? You be careful. After the new features are stable, do regression testing on these features. But out of these 4 or 5 features, if any features is very badly going to get affected, then only you speak to the customer. Are you understanding? Are you understanding? Everyone is giving Ashish. Everyone is giving the report. So boss, when I'm saying these features may get affected means what? When you're doing regression testing, please do regression testing on these features. That is the meaning of it. Okay, let me unmute, guys. Some 2-3 people have joined. They want to share their experience. Let us get deviated. Guys, can you speak now? I've unmuted. Can you speak? Please, people, if you can speak, please speak fast. Is handed over to the customer, test lead. Customer, he will go home. Yes or no? Will he sit there for next 5 months, 6 months? This project will go on. So will he sit there? Correct. So once that report is given to the lead, he go home. After this report is handed over to the test lead, tell me, what will developer do from now? Okay. What will developer do? Give me that answer first. Impact analysis report is ready and it is handed over to the test lead. What is the next job of a developer? Good. You should write a code. For which features? Correct. Everyone is right. So they'll start coding. For which features? Good, Pooja Kumari. They start coding for the new features. Next, what is the job of a test engineer? What is the job of a test engineer? Write the test document. For which features? Good, guys. That means, can I say, once the impact analysis report is handed over to the customer, both developers and test engineers are busy in working on the new features. Yes or no? Both developer and test engineers are working on the new features. Yes, good. When the developer and test engineers working on the new features, simultaneously, what will lead do? Simultaneously means parallelly. What he does, he is going to consolidate the report, because you are also saying F9, developer also said F9, testing also said F9. There are 3 F9s or only 1 F9? There are 3 F9 or only 1 F9? Only 1 F9, correct? So he is consolidating all these 3 reports. He will take and he will make one final report. Lead is preparing one final report, and based on this report, you observe, he is going to the test case repository number 1 and is picking, oh, F1, this is a test case. F2, this is a test case. F4, this is a test case. Do you remember yesterday's class? We picked 3 regression cases based on the features. Same way, oh, this feature, this, okay, this test case. F9, this is a test case. F11, this is a test case. So he is picking the regression cases and he is storing the regression test cases in a separate folder. In separate one more folder, he is storing these regression cases. This folder, guys, he is calling it as regression test suite. We don't call it as a folder, regression test suite. So regression test suite is a collection of regression cases. Is it easy? Regression test suite is a collection of regression cases. Are you understanding? Yes, 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 yes. Good, good. So simple. When lead is doing all these things, what are you doing? Tell me. Suppose you are a test engineer. What are you doing? When lead is doing all these things, what are you doing? What are you doing? Yes, I am. See, don't say document geekument. I am working on new features. Listen carefully, guys. I am working on new features. When I say I'm working on new features, it may be writing test cases or it may be testing the new features. But end of the day, I'm working on new features. Now, lead has prepared the regression test suite. This regression test suite consists of what? Tell me. Your regression test suite is ready. What is there inside this suite? Or what is there inside this folder? What is there inside this folder? Reports are there. Like regression test cases. Don't say normal test cases. Regression test. Oh, don't even use a word called as old test case. It's wrong. You should use a word called as regression test case. First day I say old because you don't know the meaning of regression. So now my regression test cases are ready. Correct? Regression test cases are ready. Now the question is, when this regression test cases should be executed? When these regression test cases should be executed? After new features are developed or stable. Developed is different, stable is different, guys. Tested is different and stable is different. Remember that word. Everyone remember. Both are not same. So boss, this regression test cases should be executed after the new features are stable. So listen carefully. Assume today is Friday. Assume today is Friday. Oh, today is Friday only. Today is Friday only. Good. The manager will call you for a meeting. The manager will call you for a meeting and he will ask you, boss, regression test suite is ready. I have made it. Regression suite is ready. Regression cases are ready. Now you tell me, guys, how about the new features? All the new test cases are executed. Are they stable? Now everyone will say, yes, sir. My features are stable. My features are stable. My features are stable. All regression test cases are pass also. Now manager will say, done. Test engineer 1, I will assign you some 25 regression test cases out of 90. Test engineer 2, I will assign you some 45 regression cases. Remaining cases I will assign to test engineer number 3. From Monday, all test engineers start doing regression testing until the regression and new features are stable. Are you understanding this sentence? So 90 cases I have already prepared. So all you guys from Monday start your testing. You take 40, you take 30, you take some 45. Within 1 week, execute all these regression cases and make sure that any bugs you are getting, give it to the developer. He will fix it. Process should go on until regression features are also working and new features are also working. This is the process of regression testing, guys. This is how we do regression testing in the company, or this is how we do the impact analysis. Now, before you ask me any question, I'll summarize it. Listen carefully. Point number 1, notes I'll give you for this whole diagram. Notes I'll give you. Point number 1, in the release number 1, there is no concept of regression testing because everything is new. In the release number 2, whenever we get the new requirements, we have to do 2 things. Understand the requirement. First is you have to understand the new requirements, whatever is given by the customer, and Along with that, also do one round of impact analysis. So this is my second task. Also do one round of impact analysis so that any major risk can be avoided. Third point, when you're doing this impact analysis, the customer will do it based on business knowledge, the developer will do it based on coding knowledge, and the test engineer will also do it based on the product knowledge. Test engineer will do it based on the product knowledge. Now, after they do this, everyone prepares a separate report, and that report is handed over to the test lead. The report is handed over to the test lead. Wait, baby. Now, what lead does is he will consolidate that report, because once you hand over the report, all of you, customer, as I said, you'll go home, and developer and the test engineer, they will be busy in working on the new features. The developer and the test engineer start working on the new features. Okay, and they're working on the new features after the report is handed over to the customer. So let's make this as a fifth point. After the report is handed over to the test lead, the developers and testers starts working on the new features, and then let me make it as a sixth point. The lead is going to consolidate that report, and he is going to pick the regression test cases. He's going to from the previous repository, and he is going to store them in a separate folder called as regression test suite. After the new features are stable, so listen this, see this. Lead is going to assign all the regression cases to the different test engineers after the new features is stable. Then everyone will start testing this regression testing until regression features and new features are stable. This is how we do regression testing, or this is how we do impact analysis, or this is how we pick the regression test cases. Have you understood this process, guys? Have you understood this process? And see, lead, when he's simultaneously picking the regression cases, is it time saving or not? Test engineer is working on new features. Lead is also busy in picking the regression cases. It's a time saving, right? So that by the time you finish your job, regression cases will be ready. Regression cases will be ready. But in this whole process, you observe, am I doing regression testing and new testing simultaneously, or one after the other? Think and talk. Testing and talking. The new features and regression features are tested parallelly or one after the other? Correct? One after the other only. Most important condition. Regression testing will be done only after the new features are stable. Don't forget about this most important point. Only after the new features are stable. Is this concept clear for everyone? Any doubts? Clear, no doubt. Good. First, you write the diagram. In interview, when they ask to explain impact analysis process, like consolidate means what, you don't know, like Arthik Pandey. Consolidate means what? Whatever repeated things are there, I'll remove the repeated things, I will make it as one. That is called as consolidation. Okay, guys, all of you, 5 minutes I'll give you. You do one thing, otherwise do one thing. Take a photo of this and then write the diagram. Now what you should do is, this fresh page you should take. Regression testing, day 2, topic number 4. First you write this heading, I'll tell you. First you write this heading. All of you take a fresh page. and write regression testing day 2, topic number 4. Topic number 4. ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೀನಿ ಕಣ, ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೀನಿ
ಸರ್. ಏಪ್ರಿಲ್ ಮಂತ್ ಇವರು ಮರಿಯ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸರ್ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ.
ಹೌದಾ?
ಒಂದೊಬ್ಬ ರೆಫರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಟೋಟಲ್ 3 ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ರೆಫರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ನೋಡೋಣ, ಮರ್ಯಾದೆ ಒಂದ್ಸತಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಯಾರು ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ನೀವು ಮಾತಾಡ್ಕೊ.
ಸರಿ ಸರಿ.
Okay, okay, okay. So you have written regression testing day 2, topic number 4, and write the topic as impact analysis process, or identifying impact area, or how to pick the regression cases, or how to pick the regression cases. How to pick the regression cases, or how to pick the regression test cases. Heading is written, how to pick the regression cases. Written the heading. Like yes to no, heading have you written, not the diagram, only heading have you written. Okay, now listen carefully. That whole page you leave for this diagram. You take a photo of this. One whole page you leave for this diagram. Diagram is very, very important, I'm saying you. And once I start physically, without seeing the notes, I'll not allow you to my classes. That's for sure. I'll not allow you for my classes. Take a photo of this, and after that, neatly sit and write the photo there. Notes I'll give you now only. First, to take a snap. Photo taken. Photo is taken. Yes. Now next page you start writing the notes, guys. So one page you leave for this diagram. You have to write the diagram there. One page you have to write the diagram. Next page you start writing. Point number 1. Point number 1. Notes on class notes on is.
Hey.
Which section I note? 1 minute, guys.
Message.
Okay. Point number 1. The process of identifying the impact area. The process of identifying the impact area is known as impact analysis process. The process of identifying the impact area is known as impact analysis process. Are you writing in first page or second page? Are you writing in first page or second page? Which page? Hello.
ಸರ್ ಅವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ಸ್ಟೇಟಸ್ ಏನು ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿಲ್ವಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗಲೇ, ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಬಾಯ್. Correct, second page. Good race, right. So first point is the process of identifying the impact area is known as impact analysis process. Is known as impact analysis process. Next point. In the first release, next point. In the first release, there is no concept of regression testing. In first release, there is no concept of regression testing or impact analysis. In the first release, there is no concept of regression testing or the impact analysis. Regression testing or impact. Uma, I'm in class. Shall I call you later? 1 minute, guys. 1 minute. 1 minute. Okay. Okay, Uma. Okay, okay. Okay. What have you written, guys? Uma. What have you written? Tell me what you have written. First point I know. Second point. Second and first release. In the first release, there is no concept of regression testing or impact analysis. In first release, there is no concept of regression testing or impact analysis because all the features are new. 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 Next point. Because all the features are new. Next point. From the second release, once we get the new requirements, from the second release, once we get the new requirement, from the second release, once we get the new requirement, once we get the new requirements, we understand the new requirements, we understand the new requirements and perform impact analysis. We understand the new requirement and perform impact analysis at the beginning stage only. We perform the impact, sorry, we understand the new requirement and perform the impact analysis at beginning stage only, so that any major risk in the project can be avoided. So that any major risk in the project can be avoided. Any major risk in the project can be avoided. After perform means somewhere I'll remember. We perform impact analysis, I think I told. We perform impact analysis so that any major risk can be avoided. Done. So we understand the requirement, plus we perform the impact analysis in the beginning only, I said, so that any major risk can be avoided. We understand the new requirement and perform the impact analysis at the beginning stage only, so that major risk in the project can be avoided. Are you understanding that line, guys? Are you understanding? Understanding? Yes, good. Next point. To identify the impact area, customer help us on business knowledge. To identify the impact area, customer help us on the business knowledge. Customer help us on the business knowledge, comma, developer on coding knowledge. Developer on coding knowledge. developer on coding knowledge, and most importantly done by test engineer, most importantly done by the test engineer based on product knowledge. Most importantly done by the test engineer based on the product knowledge. Most importantly done by the test engineer based on the product knowledge, comma, most importantly done by the test engineer on the product knowledge, comma, all the three people are involved, all the three people are involved, all the three people are involved in the impact analysis process, all the three people are involved in the impact analysis process, so that maximum impact area can be covered, so that maximum impact area can be covered, so that maximum impact area can be covered. Dana, so that maximum impact area can be covered. Next point. Once the report is ready, they hand it over to the test lead. Once the report is ready, they hand it over to the test lead. And once the report is ready, they hand it over to the test lead, and developers and test engineers start working on new features. And developers and test engineers starts working on the new features. Developers and test engineers start working on the new features. And simultaneously, developers and test engineers working on the new features, and simultaneously the test lead will consolidate this report. And simultaneously the test lead will consolidate this report. And simultaneously the test lead will consolidate this report. Okay, guys, and simultaneously lead will consolidate the report. Have written till there? Lead will consolidate the report. Done? Next point. When test engineers and developers are busy in working on the new features, when test engineers and developers are working on the new features, simultaneously, the test leads, pick the regression test case. Simultaneously, the test lead will pick the regression test cases from previous release repository, will pick the regression test cases from previous release repository, and store them in a separate folder, known as regression test suite, and store them in a separate folder known as regression test suite. Dana. Store them in a separate folder known as regression test suite. Next point. Once the new features are stable, the lead assigns the regression cases. Once the new features are stable, the lead assigns the regression cases to all the test engineers. Once the new features are stable, the lead assigns the regression cases to all the test engineers, and they start performing regression testing. The regression testing, and they start performing regression testing. Dana. They start performing the regression testing. Now, last point, guys. Until now, whatever points I've given, have you understood? Whatever points I'm giving now, have you understood? Yes. Okay. Good. Right. Now, last point. What you did? Lead assigns. Okay, they start doing regression testing next. This process of regression testing continues. Until all the regression features. This process of regression testing continues until all the regression features as well as new features are stable. This process of regression testing continues until all the regression features and the new features are stable. No, new features are stable. What was it? All the regression features and new features are stable. Copied, guys. Okay, so this is how we do regression testing, guys. This is a mandatory question in interview as well as mock also. So all of you, when you are preparing for mock, you have to prepare according to my notes. I don't want your talent, as I already told you. I don't at all want your talent. So neatly prepare it according to the notes, whatever I have given. And as I said, you start preparation. As soon as this topic is done, we will have the mock. Then I'll start sending you for interviews also. Then for regression testing, I have not given. I also know that only notes is given for today's class. Still regression testing 2 more days it will go on. Tomorrow, day after tomorrow also we will have a class on regression testing only. Once everything is over, then we will talk about it. Okay, finally give you list of questions also and how to answer also. Then guys, let's meet tomorrow morning 8 o'clock sharp for the next class. Again, as I said, you regression only I'll continue for next 2 days. You start preparation now only for the mock. I'll tell you, don't be lazy. Start the preparation. Sir, if sent from QSpiders, we will have to give first round or direct interview. 100% first round will be there. QSpiders is not a prime minister that directly they'll take your face-to-face round. Aptitude is must. Group discussion is also there. To prepare an aptitude, don't think that directly you'll get the interview. Compulsory start preparation on your aptitude also. But Jeevan, what you know, tomorrow very important class. I don't know how we'll do, but I'm doing this automation testing process. I'm going to teach tomorrow. Most important topic under your regression. So you please manage. I don't know how you will do. That's all. You listen it. It's enough. If you listen also, it's enough. Bye guys. Bye everyone. We'll meet tomorrow morning 8 o'clock. Sunday also I'm planning to take, yes, because I want to finish regression. Sunday also planning to take. Last Sunday also I've taken. This Sunday also I'll take.
I'm in the center.
What center? Bye guys. Bye
I
everyone.
will be late for school.
Good, call madam.
Everyone has joined at 10 o'clock, but I am going late. Then what will I know?